Hello, everyone. I'm Stanley, and with Afan, Shangshang, Logan, as well as the project manager and leads, we map the trajectories of Duke doctoral students. Our main data set is the Ph.D. exit survey, which is a comprehensive survey of the doctoral student experience. Our main objective was to explore survey data from Ph.D. completers to document key patterns to inform institutional decision-making. First is the automated report, which follows three main stages. The web interface allows for easy customization of the report without any programming experience. Here's a quick demo. We upload the files, we choose a program, say biology, and then I'll choose the most recent years. The rest are selected by default, and we hit submit. And we can see here that it's generating the report. And we can do this for every program all at once. And the report looks pretty good to me. We used a LaTeX compiler to generate this report, and it looks like this. Every program was evaluated under training, career preparation, and advising based on recommendations from the National Academy of Sciences and the Mellon Foundation reports. And as you can see, various visualizations were implemented. We've made great progress, but there's still work to be done. Most notably, we need to analyze career outcome survey from alumni students and receive iterative feedback from stakeholders to assess the effectiveness of the report.
For a second deliverable, we focused on text analysis, which was based on 4 free response questions shown here. This data was previously untouched, and we focused on 3 topics for analyses: quality of advising, Ph.D. students with families, and experiential learning. We initially pre-processed the data, did analyses on it using different methodologies, and finally produced a report listing down these findings, which aims to provide recommendation to relevant stakeholders in the Duke Graduate School.
All right, so in order to understand the quality of advising, we used Pearson-R correlation analysis and concordance analysis. And we found a lack of support from advisors during student job searches, unclear expectations from advisors in general, a general lack of feedback from advisors, and notable issues with power dynamics between students and faculty. Similarly, to better understand the plight of PhD students with dependents, we also used Pearson-R correlation and concordance analysis. What we found was that having a family can lead to a slower progress in PhD studies. And as a suggestion, the graduate school could provide additional financial support for students with dependents. And moreover, the impact of COVID-19 on students with families can serve as a baseline for providing support in case of a similar pandemic. Finally, we decided to use sentiment analysis to determine student satisfaction with experiential learning. And what we found were consistently negative sentiment scores surrounding experiential learning, and a need to improve both the opportunities available to students and the quality of such opportunities. And finally, we determined that we need to assist students in pursuing non-academic career paths. So we have 2 major next steps for our project. The first one would be analyzing the 3 topics on the basis of each division to see where they stand. And also, we would like to include additional survey questions that cover recurring themes such as experiential learning and mental health.